Hey everyone, I'm Amanda, a certified sex therapist, PhD in clinical sexology, licensed marriage and family therapist, and we're gonna talk about squirting. What is it to squirt? Hit like, subscribe, and the bell. I release new videos Wednesdays, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard. Stay until the end for more on women's anatomy. All right, let's just jump right in. What is squirting? What does it mean to squirt? Squirting is what many people refer to as the colloquialism for female ejaculation. So squirting is like the street name. Some people though, who are sex researchers, think that squirting and female ejaculation are two separate things. Let me start off by saying there's not enough research on this, but hopefully there will be. What's most important is that squirting is not vaginal lubrication. They have nothing to do with one another. Two different things. Some research shows that squirt contains low traces of creatine and urea, which is found in the urine. And it also has low traces of PSAs, which are found in cis men through the prostate. Here's the thing that a lot of people don't know. All of us, when we're in the womb and developing as a fetus, we all have very similar tissue. That's why men have nipples, for example. They don't need them, but they have them because we have similar glands. We as women actually have prostate tissue in our body. They're known as the Skene's glands. The Skene's glands is what's said to look kind of like a milky substance. So it is not at the same time as squirting, yet could happen at the same time as squirting, but female ejaculation is seen to be a tiny bit different by some sex researchers. So according to scientists, squirting is that clear, odorless liquid that comes from the ureter through the urethra, and female ejaculation is more milky, cloudy in color, and comes through the Skene's glands. Neither are coming through the vagina as lubrication though. So is squirting female ejaculation to you? Have you seen a difference? Love to hear your comments. Usually squirting and female ejaculation happen either together or separate, but when a woman's really, really aroused and turned on. Researchers have long debated whether this is pee or not. In one of my most popular videos, you all were telling me maybe this is pee, maybe it's not pee, and you were going back and forth. So I want to know, do you think it's pee? I think that they're two different things, but one is located where pee comes from, so we don't have enough research to say it's not pee. And female ejaculation, which I've seen, is cloudy. It's a different thing. I've seen squirting too. They both look different to me. The data here is woefully lacking, and it's kind of sad. So if you're interested in female research, maybe get into the sexology field and do some more studying, because we need more evidence about what's happening with women and orgasm. And finally, reducing squirting or female ejaculation just to pee, to me, is kind of disappointing, because it's saying, let's not look further into it. Why not? Why not look further into it? To me, pleasure is the measure, just like Emily Nagoski in their book. And it's important to put research into all genders and sexuality. I think that really matters, that all of us experience more pleasure. When people are experiencing more pleasure, they're more positive and blissful, and who doesn't want a world of more happy and joyous and blissful people? If you're studying with pleasure or experiencing joy, get stiff or bliss and understand more about your orgasm today. As a thank you for staying through the end, here's an excerpt from the book I wrote, Playtime, A Guide to Sexual Conquest for Women. Say hi on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube at The Sex Healer or at Amanda Pasciucco. I love your questions and comments. See you next week, Wednesday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Catch you in the next one.